Listen here. If you're a business owner, I want you to listen to this message now. Now, there are 3 things that makes a business successful. Sales tips. Number 1, having a great product that people want to buy from you. Number 2, having a well-organized system that allows you to prospect, promote, and cater for your prospective and existing customers. Number 3, being able to cast your nets really wide, well enough to reach selected and potential customers in their millions. Now, to be able to achieve all of this, I must say it's possible with today's digital platforms, where all your customers are spending most of their times on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Google, WhatsApp, emails, TikToks, and many more. Now, all of these platforms have twice the population of the earth, over 7 billion people. Now, the question is, why then are you not using this platform to sell your own products or services? Here's what I think. 1, you don't have the time because you're too busy handling the businesses of the day in your business. Number 2, you don't understand how to go about it because, yes, I can agree, it's not for everyone. The techie aspect can be a lot difficult, from creating the page, optimizing it, feeding it with content, creating ads or ads accounts, writing powerful sales scripts, and advertising. Then come to managing people who want your products when sales starts rushing in. Truly, this is not for everyone. So it's always important to assign these tasks to the experts. Advice every day. Now, here is an offer for you today. What if my team of experts working with me for the last 7 years decide to handle this task for you, such that all you just do is to sell as the results begin to pour in? Now, there's a lot that I would have loved to say right here, but I can't dish it out until you're able to call me or send me a WhatsApp message with the number you find on the screen or below this video, so I can give you everything. Now, but listen here. This is more like one of the best offers you can ever find, and my focus is strictly for people in Nigeria. And if you are in Abuja, lovely, then it makes it even faster, as we are based here in Abuja. I can take a drive to your office and we can continue the discussion from there. Now, I want to work with just 10 people or 10 business owners for now. Now, if you are ready, I want you to hit the WhatsApp button below this video and drop me a message. And of course, I will call you ASAP as soon as possible. Now, remember, your money working for you makes life easier than you working for your money. So hit the button now or call my number and I'll be right here for you. It's 08027941987. See you soon.